Remember that ever since the Pahalgam massacre of 22nd April in which 26 innocent men were targeted and how, including teenager boys, we are told now how India has taken, remember, different and layered decisions, whether it was ban and suspension of the Indus Water Treaty and, of course, then the military strikes. But now Pakistan appears to be asking for further peace talks. Pakistan's Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, while visiting Iran, stated Pakistan seeks a peace deal with India on issues of trade, Kashmir and water issues. He's mentioned that the proposed peace deal will include cooperation on counter-terror as well. Shehbaz Sharif emphasizing that Pakistan prefers dialogue over war. Now, this plea for peace comes at a time, remember, India making it very clear that Operation Sindoor is the new normal for India when it comes to Pakistan, especially the terrorism that Pakistan sponsors. India has demanded extradition of terrorists currently sheltered in Pakistan. And at this juncture, when Shehbaz Sharif says that they want dialogue and peace, the fact is, are they going to act upon the terror groups in their own nation?
We are ready to talk for the sake of peace on water issue with a neighbor. We are ready to talk to promote trade and also counter-terrorism if they are serious. But if they choose to remain aggressor, then we shall defend our territory and our country like we have done a few days ago by the grace of God. But if they accept my offer of peace, then we will show that we really want peace seriously and sincerely.
पाकिस्तान के साथ न ट्रेड होगा न टॉक। अगर बात होगी तो सिर्फ पाकिस्तान के कब्जे वाले कश्मीर की, पीओके की।
Remember, it sounds all great that Pakistan says we want peace, we want dialogue, but always remember, every time India believed that, extended a hand of friendship, we either had a Kargil war, we had either had conflicts, and while we were believing that Pakistan wanted peace, they were instead sponsoring terror attacks against our innocent civilians, and they've done it since decades. And India, of course, would be wise to not fall for Pakistan's words. Shivani Sharma, closely tracking the latest on that. Shivani, what do you think is the reason right now Pakistan saying we want dialogue, we want peace? What is the strategy here?
All-party delegation of India is out on a global outreach in 33 countries, and Pakistan is now trying to show the world that he also has the support of his allies, including Turkey, Azerbaijan, Iran, and that's why we hear Pak's Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif going ahead and saying that he's ready for peace talks, and he also says that he's ready to talk on Kashmir also. And India has made it very clear, Pooja, that no talking to be done with Pakistan except on of terrorism and POK. So Pakistan and peace are two poles apart, we all know. It has been inflicting attacks on our civilians in terms of the terror outfits sponsoring. And the Pahalgam attack has also been one such attempt by Pakistan of escalation, after which India had to resort to this kind of Operation Sindoor, where 9 terror outfits were damaged and destroyed in Pakistan. So Pakistan is now just trying to give once again that fake narrative, fake agenda that it stands with peace, while it has been totally contradictory in terms of pushing terror inside Indian boundary.
Shivani, keep tracking the latest, and I'm sure Indians will remember, or do better to remember, that we extended the hand of friendship, believing these words, got Kargil war, then again extended an olive branch and got 26/11 terror attacks. So perhaps in 2025, we would rather be more cautious.